What's up everyone? Today we're going to unbox the GMSK Gundam G-Fred. So this came from the Mobile Suit Gundam G-Quax. We have here 3 bags of runners. And some foil sticker. We also have here the manual and some builder's notes. So I think that one is for editing videos or images wherein you can make backgrounds or change the background when you are taking photos. So here we have the pilot and the mobile suit, and this is the manual. So here we have different kinds of runners. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and G for the beam saber. Yeah. So now let us unbox. So here we have the box art, GMSK G-Fred. It's a nice box. The manual. Okay, so the runners. 7 runners with 2 stickers. I think the sticker and the second one is more on dry transfer. So we have here purple and gray, different shades of colors, and the builder note. For the builder note, I think you need to scan a QR code so that you can check on it. You can change the background based on your preferences. So just like this one, so from that image you can change it to like a desert background. So for the runners, for the runner E, this is the multicolored runner. You have orange, green, I think this is cyan color. Okay, so most of it or most of the runners is like from the G-Quax. I think the only difference is the head. For runner B, we have shades of gray. So this is for the body as well as the gun of the Gundam G-Fred. Okay, so you can see all of it are dark gray color. For runner C, we have this shade of white. This is for the shield and some parts of the backpack. For the runner D, we have this very glossy violet. So for the body, and also I think we have for the feet. Next we have runner E. This is a shade of green. Some of it are parts of the arms, torso. For runner F, we have different shades of color. We have purple. We also have, I think this is dark gray. We also have white. And we also have red. Okay. Now for the beam saber, I think this is also considered as beam saber. So we have here a very nice glossy effect part for the beam saber, which is unique for the G-Quax line. As you can see, we have also a sheet of sticker for the head camera. I think this is for the two heads that is included in the kit. We also have this type of sticker. I thought this is a dry transfer, but this is more on like a sticker sheet for color correcting, and the manual itself. So for the manual, just like the usual manual, it includes the pilot, also the mobile suit, together with a blurb about the kit and the pilot. You can pause it to see the details about the pilot and also the mobile suit. So again, this is the GMSK Gifted from the Gundam J-Class. So we have here some details about the mobile suit, some of the blurs. So here we start with the head, just like the usual building. Okay, now do we have the torso. On some of the real grade kits that I built, they started with the feet, but for most high grades, usually they start with the head. So this is the back. So here are some poses that we can expect with this mobile suit. Additionally, it doesn't include stand, so I think you can buy one to maximize the posability. That is all for the review. Hope to see you on our next video.